Is your Ninja Speedi leaving food undercooked? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, you'll achieve perfectly cooked meals every time. Start by checking the temperature settings. If food is undercooked, the appliance may not be reaching the required heat. Use a meat thermometer to verify doneness. Clear juices and no pinkness in meats indicate proper cooking. For poultry, aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Next, avoid overcrowding the pot or basket. Overloading traps steam and prevents even heat circulation. Cook in smaller batches, and use the rack accessory to elevate food for consistent results. Ensure the Speedi is preheating properly. Place your food in the pot, select your desired function, and let it preheat for 5 minutes before cooking begins. Skipping this step can lead to uneven temperatures. If undercooking persists, adjust the temperature. For delicate proteins like fish, lower the heat slightly and extend the cook time. For example, reduce the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, and add 2 to 3 minutes to the cycle. For safety, discard any food that remains undercooked after adjustments. Consuming undercooked meat or poultry poses health risks, such as foodborne illness. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to reach Ninja's customer support. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another appliance issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!